Hi, I'm Lori Schneider with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make a baked spaghetti squash casserole with sun-dried tomatoes. So I'm going to take those strings and I'm going to place them into our little casserole dish. Just kind of spread them out just a little bit. Make sure you get out all those good strings of spaghetti squash. And you'll notice that there are some spots on the squash where it browned, and that's fine. Don't even worry about that. That is caramelized, so it's going to have really excellent flavor. We're going to do the same thing to the other half of the squash and make sure we get all of that good squash into the pan. You can also make these into individual cups, into like individual ramekins, and make kind of individual casseroles or dishes that look really cute on the dinner table and fun for your guests to enjoy. It's always fun to get individual servings of things. Okay,